Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share a video of my Christmas stash for 2020. I'm sharing this a little early because I want to basically pull together page kits to work through in December. I'm thinking on my YouTube channel for the month of December I may only do Christmas layouts, maybe. Depends on what time does for me in the long run. So let me get started with some embellishments. Now I have a whole mixed bag of embellishments. This is a box. It is probably 10 by 12. Yeah, about 9 3/4 by I'm gonna guess about 13, maybe 13 and a half. So it's a rather large box, and you can see it is stuffed, jam-packed full. I have all type of packaged embellishments from Recollections, Felicity Jane, Pebbles, Cartabella, Echo Park, Pink Paisley, from Recollections, Studio Calico, Paper Studio, Jot, you name it, and I have bits and pieces from. It is just stuffed full. I have alphas in here. I have large sticker sheets. I have all kinds of embellishments stuck in here for whatever reason. I have pocket page cards here. I have embellishments that maybe I made or are left over from other things that I was doing at different times, and just have them in these cute little containers. Here are bits and pieces that are either left over from different kits, or maybe they are pieces that I have stamped or fussy cut. For whatever the purpose is, it's just jam-packed full of different types of embellishments. And I have made a lot of cards just by pulling this pouch, or I have another pouch that's the same way. Here's another one, which is smaller because I've used more out of that one. I have stamps, I have dies, I have washi strips, I have little cups full of things, I have little boxes full of things. It is jam-packed full. There's no room really to stick anything in here if you're looking to compress anything. Not only that, but I have more embellishments. Yeah, so I have this one. Another bag of just randomness. I have all sorts of things, cut aparts and things that I have stamped or fussy cut, leftover felt. Yeah, I have snowflakes, I have wood veneer, I have sequins and more snowflake sequins. I have tinseled twine. Yeah, it's a textured tinsel stuff. Lots of wood veneer in here. I have leftover rickrack and twine and ribbon and all sorts of ribbon type materials in there. There's a big package of snowflakes. There is a big package of stars. Lots of more wood veneer or chipboard numbers, or yeah, lots of stuff in here. Wait, there's more. This one has all of my Christmas washi tape on a long ribbon, but you can see I have tons of the stuff. And under that, I have even more. I have ribbons, I have tags, I have bling, I have flair, all sorts of flair in there. More flair, more flair. Christmas lights. Jingle bells. These are like, I don't know, acrylic pieces maybe with Christmas trees. Snowflakes, clear and in blue. I have some embellishments left from a Felicity Jane kit. I have some chipboard, almost like flare but they're chipboard. I have roller stamps in here. I have a big box of flowers, or steel container. Brads. All things Christmas are in here. You can see there's a little bit of rational decision, like wood veneers in this one, and this one has ribbons and things, and my other one has mostly packaged embellishments. But that's not all. Because you guys know me, I'm a little over the top when it comes to Christmas. This one has border strips, pocket page cards, punched out pieces from leftover Christmas cards, all sorts of punched out pieces from when I was creating cards. They're just circles and squares and rectangles and stitched pieces, and yeah. I have 8.5 by 11 paper pads. I have the Paper Studio. I have, again, the Paper Studio. That one is American Crafts. There's a 4x6 glittered stack that I've had forever. You know, you only use a little bit of it. A 4x6 from Stampin' Up. I have gold and silver pieces that are fussy cut. I have more Paper Studio. They must have been having a sale with these Paper Studio ones for me to have so many of them when I had gone through so many of my paper pads last year. These are all random tags from different, like if it came in a pack, I just tore them all apart. Like that's a Recollections pack. There's a K and Company. There's multiple packs of just random tags in there. There is, these are all cut apart pieces, 3x4 and 4x6. I don't remember the collection now. There's some acetate pieces in here. What's back here? These are all pieces that I have embossed for card making and haven't used them all up. Then those are some leftover Christmas cards from a few years ago. And I was just sorting through another space. And found all of these Christmas cards left over from a different year. These I like to pull little bits and pieces apart and embellish with those. Make tags and things with those. So I'll see what I'm going to do with those this year. I need to do something because there's too many to be in here. So I need to do something. So yeah. So now you've seen all the embellishments, all these 6x6 paper pads. Let me show you my paper collection. Just for Christmas. No other season. Just Christmas. Okay. You might think this is a lot. And it is. It's quite a lot. But I have more. Another one of these plastic sleeves full of paper. There's some chipboard in here. There's some sticker sheets in here. There's some punch out packs. There's all different kind of embellishment, the larger embellishment sheet stuck in here too. But most of this is just paper. Yeah. But that's not all. I have all of this as well. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see why I want to try and use up a bunch of it this year, making page kits or something like that in preparation for Christmas. So, mind you, let me see if I can get all of this into frame. No. Let me get my ruler. Or a ruler. So if I start at the back and I smash it all together, by smashing it all together, it probably comes out to be about 6.5 inches worth of Christmas paper, stickers, chipboard, that kind of thing. So as you see, I don't need to buy any paper for Christmas. Does that mean that I haven't? No. I just placed an order last night with Close to My Heart. It's only 6 sheets of paper for Christmas, but it is Christmas stash. So we'll see what that looks like when it comes in and gets added in. Because believe me, there's close to my heart in here already. But I do tend to use that a lot when I get it in. All of this is close to my heart. Yeah. Okay. So I think I might try and make a video where I put some paper together to create page kits with some embellishments and things. I don't know quite how I'm going to do it, but I need to do some deep stash diving into my paper and embellishments for Christmas and get a lot of it used up this year, or prep for next year, like Christmas cards. I think I have plenty of Christmas cards to get me through this year. I don't need to make any more, but I still need to prep some pages for this year and do last year's photos, or the year before that. I haven't done Christmas photos in a while, so I have plenty to keep me busy as far as scrapbooking goes. So if you have any suggestions on what I should do with all of this stash, other than give it away, throw it away, or sell it, leave a suggestion down in the comments section. What are you doing for Christmas? Are you preparing pages in advance? Are you working on last year's? Are you doing pocket page cards? How are you utilizing the stash that you already have for Christmas this year? Or are you getting all new stuff for Christmas? Because I've done that some years. I'm tired of looking at what I have, and I go out and I buy all new stuff. Yeah. So, plans to stash dive into all of this Christmas goodness and create something with it this year. Yeah, so wish me luck, and I would appreciate your suggestions if you have any, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.